Login loop error on SeedLegals Fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on SeedLegals, constantly signing in but never reaching your dashboard, you're definitely not alone. It's a common problem that can make you think something's wrong with your account, but most people get this wrong. The issue isn't your password. It's usually your browser holding onto expired session data. Here's how to fix it. First, close the SeedLegals app or browser tab completely. Then clear your cache and cookies. In your browser, go to Settings, then Privacy, and clear browsing data. Make sure you include cookies and cached images. On mobile, open Settings, find the SeedLegals app, and tap Clear Cache or Clear Storage. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of your browser or app. Older versions sometimes conflict with SeedLegals authentication systems, causing that endless login loop. Updating usually resolves it instantly. If that doesn't help, try switching your connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. Network filters or firewalls can occasionally block SeedLegals secure login requests. Also, check your browser's cookie and JavaScript settings. SeedLegals requires both to maintain an active session. If either is disabled, your login can't stay validated. Now, when you log in again, type your credentials manually instead of using autofill. Autofill data sometimes includes hidden spaces or outdated details that can trigger a failed login cycle. After following these steps, restart your browser or device and log in again. You should now access your dashboard normally. The surprising truth about the SeedLegals login loop is that it's almost always caused by stored data conflicts, not real account issues. Clearing your data and refreshing your setup usually restores full access in under 2 minutes. So, if you ever find yourself stuck again, remember, don't reset your password right away. Just clear your cache, update your app, and you'll be back to managing your legal and funding documents smoothly.